Okay, and we are Team Black Panther.
No, we're Team Pro.
Actually, I know we are, but we're Black Panther.
Yeah, we're Team Pro.
But we're Black Panther.
And I'll show you all our weapons. So we got 2 cameras.
Yeah, and I'm showing the cameras to the other team. So we're kind of forever, but we're team. Yeah, we're team.
Whoa.
We're going to get these guys in the video. So we are like doing a NerfGun. The losers have to get ice, and then
In their shirt. Ice in their shirt.
Shirt. And anything you want to say to the video?
Team Doctor Strange.
Hey, we got.
No, we're Team Pro.
You're Team Incredible.
We're Team Pro, but we're also Black Panther.
And we got Reed in the house also. We got 2 cameras.
Got Ree in the house.
Yeah. And we got Mama in the
Stephanie
house.
And we got her going to lose and get ice. The loser gets ice.
Yeah, me and Bo are teams.
Yeah.
And Mama and Reed are teams.
Over here. And so we're like, we're Team Pro, but I call it Team Wakanda.
And also, our team name, since they have a team name which is Black Panther, ours is Doctor Strange, and the girl like Hulk.
I'm doing.
Hi, booty doo doo.
He's on my
You have
team.
a
And I'm like Team Wakanda, but he's on my team and he's Team Pro, right?
Look at my shower. It looks cool, don't it?
Are we ready? Are we ready?
I'm still
rip it
making
off.
the video.
Ah!
Still making the video.
Hey, that's one of mine. I'm
Sorry. But
We all have 5 weapons each.
yes, we'll turn you around so you can view the footage.
Yeah. Yeah, so, leave that there.
No, we have to. Oh yeah, because if we come back here, you have to watch the footage.
Yeah.
So I'll put you like.
You better watch this.
Here. Put you right
No, you gotta leave it where it is.
here.
You can leave it.
Oh yeah. Okay. So, we're gonna do footage, but if you
Yeah.
don't see us, we're invisible, right?
Alright, are we
Okay,
ready?
here it comes. Here it comes.
Yeah.
We're set. Team Wakanda. Wakanda. Forever. Okay.
You gotta go.
This
You
is
ain't missing the
our
finish.
team.
Go behind that couch. You gotta go behind that couch. That couch.
Assume your positions.
No, you're behind that couch. We're over here.
That's done. We gotta show the video of our guns first.
So this is baby power.
No, I already showed them this.
Baby power. And here's how it shoots.
We have this gun.
It's the wood stone.
We have one.
I got it.
Look, this how it shoots. Put it back in
Yeah.
and
That's how it shoots. But it shoots really good.
So,
Here's a telescope.
it says, can you send them home? Dinner is almost ready. I want to get them baked.
Oh, wow. All right, couple shots. Mama wants you home.
yeah, here we go. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Start. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, you better roll it. Already got it.
Wakanda. Wakanda. Wakanda.
No, you're not.
Okay, got power. Ah!
But poisonous.
All right,
Watch out, Bob!
somebody hit me, make it fair game. I haven't hit yet. Somebody hit me before they have to leave. Somebody get my food.
I will. Video's over.
Time for you to comment down